Assalamualaikum. Today we will talk about the all important MCQs related to structure of DNA. These were the most repeated MCQs during the competitive exams. The first one is DNA fingerprinting. Recognize the differences in satellite DNA, bulk DNA, repetitive DNA, or the D option, which is both A and C. So the answer is both A and C. This force can stabilize a DNA double helix. Hydrophilic sugar phosphate groups are found on the exterior of the helix where interaction with water occurs. B. Hydrophobic bases are present in the interior of the helix. Each base pair is stabilized by the same number of hydrogen bonds. C. Covalent base stacking interactions may take place between neighboring bases within the same strand in the helix. So D. Non-covalent and glycosidic bonds may form between nitrogenous bases in opposite strands in the helix. So the answer is A. Third one, in this type of replication of the two newly formed molecules, one is purely a new one and the other one is an old one. A. Disruptive, B. Conservative, C. Semi-conservative, or D. Both A and C. So the answer is C. The process of DNA replication is affected by an enzyme known as mutase, ligase, polymerase 1, ribonuclease. So the answer is polymerase 1. 5 MCQs. A DNA molecule in which both strands have radioactive thymidine is permitted to replicate in an environment that contains non-radioactive thymidine. What is the right number of DNA molecules possess some radioactive thymidine post 3 duplications? A. 1 such molecule, B. 2 such molecules, 4 such molecules, or D. 8 such molecules. So the answer for the question is B. If the DNA strand has nitrogenous base sequence ATTGCC, the messenger RNA will have the opposite. So the opposite is that of the maybe ATTGCA, UGGACC, UAACGG, ATCGCC. So the answer is C. The 7th one is the type of calling in DNA is zigzag, left-handed, opposite, or right-handed. Basically, it is right-handed. In DNA, the enzyme which breaks the H2 bonds is ligase, helicase, topoisomerase, or polymerase. It is the helicase. So the total DNA comprises what amount of cytoplasmic DNA in cells? 95 to 99%, 65 to 75%, 45 to 50%. Or the D option, which is 1 to 5%, and the answer is also the D option for this MCQs, which is 1 to 5% the total number comprises. So the 10 MCQs is the bases are held together in a DNA double helix by hydrogen bonds. These are ionic, covalent, non-covalent, van der Waals. It must be a C option, which is non-covalent. So these are the MCQs.